Hi everyone, today we're going to use boiling water on the stone walkway to remove the weeds. As you can see, lots of grass and weeds have grown up here in between the stones. And online I read that using boiling water kills the plant all the way down to the root. And then it just kind of shrivels away. I don't like to use chemicals, so I really love that this is a chemical-free way to remove weeds. Now, one word of caution, I read that this method also kills important nutrients and microbes in the soil. So I wouldn't recommend using this method where you plan on growing other plants unless you also replenish the soil in some way. But for sidewalks and stone paths, this would be an excellent way to remove unwanted grass and weeds. The first day, I just wanted to see if this really works. I know I saw people saying how effective this was online, but you know, it's the internet, so I thought I'd see for myself. After a couple of days, I checked back and I really liked the results. So I continued boiling and pouring and boiling and pouring, and this took some time, but it was worth it. Once all the weeds are gone, I'm going to be able to give the stones a light pressure wash, but that will have to wait for another video. Even though it's June and technically we're in summer, on the Oregon coast we're still dealing with rain about 3 or 4 days a week. This is actually pretty typical for this time of year, but it also means that I don't get to work on the yard as much as I'd like. But the next time that it's warm and sunny and I can get outside with the pressure washer, we'll do that. Alright everyone, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.